Recently, I found an AI which can convert any type of 3D models and animate it with any type of motion according to your use case. So let's discuss about this model. And in the field of AI, recently we are seeing a latest upgrade. A new model is going very much popular. I hope so. Most of you are familiar with the game development. So in order to use any type of character in your game, you have to animate that character for moving or making any type of simulation. So yeah, Hunyuyan Motion 1.0, the model name, and it is a model which can convert any type of 3D model into any type of 3D motion according to your use case. You can easily animate your any type of game characters as well as any type of enemies, NPCs according to your use case without knowing any type of 3D animation skills, such as using any type of animation 3D artist for Blender use case. Yeah, this model has shown some of the examples on their GitHub repo, and this one is one they have provided image according to your use case. And if you have to animate, they follow this type of process. For example, if animation is working for a cake, these are the various type of keyframes. In the first image or scenario, you can find a human being character NPC which is trying to kick. So this is a type of architecture, and it is performing various type of keyframes. According to the keyframe, it is performing the specific type of animation. In the second keyframe, you can find a skeleton moving according to its type of how the skeleton walk, like a horror type scenario. So it is using that type of specific type of animation, and each motions, it is a part of keyframe. Same for that Spider-Man image as well as robotic. I hope so you love this. Add this for their post, and they have shown some examples also videos, so you can find on your screen. This one is the first, and it is trying to kick this model. Yeah, this model is also pretty cool because it is also a similar type of simulation of a motion. You can find this also on their official video. They have provided some example videos, and this simulation also. Basically, these are working in a slow motion because I have added them as a slow motion for a preview case, because each of these animation simulations are around 2 seconds. So yeah, this is also one of the example. Initially I showed you some both of the examples that were also a specific type of simulations which can convert take a 3D model into any type of animation according to your use case. You can also provide any type of this instead, and that Hunyuyan 1.5 1.0, sorry, it is a model, Hunyuyan Motion 1.0 model. It is a completely open source model, so you can use that model according to your open source locally as well as for your use case. And you can build any type of 3D realistic models which can convert a 3D model into any type of simulation or motions according to an animated. So yeah, this is the architecture. Let's dive into it and discuss of the architecture. This one, it is various type of combination they have used for a large language model. So you can find there Queen 3 8 billion parameters, as well as clip embedding for converting the text and images into embeddings. And they have used a type of architecture where you can find layer normalization, scale and shift. This is a specific type of machine learning stuff. So it is a type of architecture motion DID, the architecture name they have provided. They have officially launched this type of architecture, and this is a type of workflow they have used. Users just give a prompt, kick a ball, duration prediction and prompt rewrite, and predicted duration optimize prompt, and person kicking a ball extending an LLM encoder, and at last we get a response generated motion according to that scenario, like a 3D model kicking to a specific type of motion and getting an animation. So this is a type of use case. In future you can find or realistic 3D models. All type of games are building just by a single prompt in realistic and real time. This is also one of the example of that. You can find in a type of if you are building any type of game case, or in a type of you have to create a type of flame, so you can use this for creating a scenario where the 3D model work according to your use case. Instruction following capabilities and motion quality also they have provided. This is a type of benchmark according to this model, how game character actions works, daily activities, social interaction and sport athletes. This is a type of scenario, and you can find the changes as well as motion quality initially, and after that it has motion quality as well as their capabilities. Although the quality is pretty cool, and it is performing very well on various types of benchmark. So yeah, this one is a Hunyuyan Motion 1.0. I hope you love this video. Don't forget to share with your various friends. See you in next another video. Bye bye. Take care.